Hey dear children, today we are starting with exercise 4.1 chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. So here in this we have already studied about the different terms which are point, line, rays, line segments. So on the basis of those explanation, let us study this exercise. Let's start with question 1. Use the figure to name 5 points. We have to mention from this figure, we have to mention 5 points. As you can see, these dots represent 5. So therefore, your answer will be point D, point E, point O, point B and point C. This is how you will write your answer. This is question number 1A part. Let's move ahead with question number 1B part, a line. A line, now from this figure you have to look for the line. Line means which can extend from both the sides. So we can see it is extending from DB side. So the answer will be DB. And when you will mention the symbols, above that you have to mention the symbol of line as well. So this is the symbol of line. Let's move ahead with fourth part, which is 4 rays. Now rays are which has a starting point and then from the other side it can move ahead. So as you can see, it is OB, OC, OE and OD. So we will write it as the first alphabet should be the starting point. So it is OB, mention it as like this, it is moving towards B, then OC, then OE and then OD. So these are the 4 rays given in your question. Now we have to mention 5 line segment. Line segment means which have 2 end points. So we can see DE, DO, EO, OB and OC. So we'll write as DE, DO, DB, OC and OB. These are the 5 line segments, and you have to draw the symbol of line segment also while mentioning the alphabets. So this was your question 1 of exercise 4.1. Let's move ahead with question 2. We have to name 12 possible ways to mention the given lines. In how many ways we can mention the given line? So you can see if it is AD, one way is AD, the other way will be DA also. We can read it in the both ways. If it is AB, the other way is BA. If it is BC, the other way is CB. If it is BD, the other way is DB. So there are many ways. I have written 12 here. It is AB, BA, AD, BD, CD, AC, BC, CA, CB, DA, DB and DC. There are plenty of lines. You can mention any 12 out of that. Now let's move ahead with question 3 now. Use the figure to name line pointing E. Now from this figure we have to mention a line which has E point. We can see on this line and on this line also E lies. So I have written it AE. You can also mention X, FE or EF as well. B part, line passing through A. Name a line which is passing through A. Same, it is AE. So we will write AE over here. Then third, line on which O lies. You have to look for the line on which O lies. So you can see this line CO on which this O is lying. So we can mention it as CO or OC, your choice. Let's move ahead with D part. 2 pairs of intersecting line. We have to mention 2 pairs which have intersecting line. 2 lines which are having common point. See, it is AE and it is CO is intersecting at B part. Same way AE and EF is intersecting at E part. So you have to mention these 2 pairs, CO and AE. One pair is this, the other pair is AE and EF. So this was your question number 3. Let us continue with question 6 in book itself, true false. Q, M, O, N, P are points on line MN. This is a line MN. Now we are just talking about MN only. Are these points lying on it? So we can see on line MN, MON are lying, not QP. So the answer is false. MON are the points on line segment? Yes, now MON are the points on line segment. It is true. M and N are the end points of line MN? Yes, the answer is true. O and N are endpoints of line OP? No, if we are saying OP, the endpoint is P and O, not N. So the answer is false. M is one endpoint of the line QO. QO का M endpoint है? No, the answer is false. M is a point on ray OP? No. N is a point because ray is moving this side, not that side. If it is moving this side, then we can say yes. But as the ray is OP, O is written here P and M is on the other side. So the answer is false. Ray OP is different from ray QP. Yes, definitely it is different. No, it is not different. Sorry, QP, because the O point is lying on Q only. So it is answer is false. Ray OP is same as ray OM? No, now answer is false because they both are moving in the opposite direction. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Ray OM is not opposite. This is false. It is opposite. O is not an initial point of OP. OP का O initial point नहीं है, starting point. False. It is an initial point. It is a starting point. N is the initial point of NP and NM. Yes, it is true. For both NP, this is NP and this is NM. For both the lines, N is the initial point. So this is your question number 6.